What's going on, guys? It's your boy Nico Scotty, aka Sir Steak a Lot, and we back with another video, man. Y'all seen the title? I ain't gonna do too much talking. Here's a small migration guide, man. We're gonna get right into it. Hit that like button, subscribe. You know what to do. So the first step is you wait for the announcement, and the announcement's already out. All right. So now the second step is you go to the old pool and you claim your rewards. The third step is after you claim, make sure you claim first, is to withdraw your LP tokens from that pool. And then your fourth step is going to be to deposit your LP tokens into the new pool on the new beta website. All right. Make sure you go to the new beta website. And then a fifth extra step is that the 25% fee that comes from the first pool is going to be out within an hour. So just wait for that announcement and we should be good to go, guys. All right. You guys ready? I am. Let's go. All right, so first you want to stay at the bank. You want to walk up to the guy as usual, and you want to do the steps that we just listed. We'll go here. Make sure you claim your reward first, guys. Claim your rewards. Then you want to withdraw. They talk about the fees, and then they talk about claiming. All right, we've done all that, and now we're good to go. All right, so then you want to check your deposit amounts just to make sure everything is right. See, we lost a little bit, and that goes to the 25% withdrawal fee. So now the next step is we're going to head over to FoxSwap, and I'm going to show you guys how to make LP tokens. So if you have one initially, right, and you want to turn one into EVO, you'll come here. You'll basically turn your one into EVO that way. But today we're going to be taking our EVO, and we're going to be transferring it into half one because you need half amount into the LP token. So we're going to take about 9,300. I think that's the right math. And we're going to turn it into one, right? So we're going to swap it out into one. And you see the amount that you have. All right, so you wait for that transaction to complete, and then you'll head over to the liquidity pool part, and then you want to take maximum amount of your one, and you'll take maximum amount of your EVO, and you supply it, and you have 6,000, right? So after we done that, we head over to the beta site, and on the beta site, we'll go to the same banking guy, wait for it to load a little bit, and as you can see at the top, it'll have 11 hours, 47 minutes, 47 seconds, so it's a new timer, right? So now, it loaded up, we go to the EVO-ONE pool, as you can see, the high APR rates, and you want to head over to deposit, right? So we go to deposit, and now we see we have all our amount to deposit. You want to take the max, and you want to approve it. After that's approved, you want to take the max, and then there's a tricky part. You want to go ahead and delete some decimals, and then you want to deposit, all right? That's the only way that it'll work for now. Sorry about that, guys. But once it's deposited, you see your amount there, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.